Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends here and abroad. Mark here in the Fan Cave. What I have today is a Hunter Original facsimile. It's actually manufactured by King of Fans. This box here. So yeah, I acquired this fan new in the box. Honestly, can't remember if it was an eBay find or what, but obviously like the look of it. It's does not have the, I mean, it's got to be like half the weight of an original, but it doesn't. It does have that aesthetic. It's perfect. 20-footer. So, but yeah, it's much more flimsy materials. It's basically made like any other King of fans of the era. It just has a slightly different aesthetic. Comes the limited lifetime warranty. I highly doubt they'd still honor that, but I digress. Considering the fan was purchased new probably, 40 years ago. 35 years ago, I don't know. I'm not entirely sure where, when and where. It was from the Mr. Howe warehouse. I heard of that. And it's Polish brass. Never knew they manufactured brass in Poland, but once again, I digress. So, got the spin down. Oh, thank you very much for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. Always be kind.